Good morning, students. Today I am telling one poem. Its title is Two Little Parrots. Let's start our poem, children. And I want to that you all students repeat with me. Okay? Now I am going to start. Two little parrots sitting on a tree, talking about and me, you and me. Flowers smiling to them, said, why do you eat chilies all the time? Red and green, one and all. Parrot said, red for our beaks and green for our feathers. We eat chilies all the time. Okay, children, how was the poem? You did enjoy it? Yes. Okay. Next time we will meet again with next poem. Okay. Goodbye, children.